Yeah, I will show you so you can take your time, no problem. You save it here, it's like, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Or you could use it with a sword.
No, he said that.
We already talked about that.
Yeah.
No?
I suggest
No,
that.
no.
Ah, okay, so yeah.
That's
No,
what
no.
we- That's what
Here
we
you
usually
have-
do
here
for
you
wedding-
first
weddings,
Oh,
yeah.
oh.
It's okay.
You should just
Open it.
kill the wives of the
You
guys.
failed
Yeah,
and you didn't
don't
even know
worry.
it.
Don't
I
worry
already
about
messed
this.
it up.
Yeah, no, you didn't do anything wrong. Just put it out,
They're like the same brand, right?
I saw that.
okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
these are
So
kind
I will
of-
explain
is it the bottom
and then you
one?
will see.
Yes.
First of all, you are right-handed or
I'm
left?
right-handed.
Okay, so you're as me. So you put the, have it like this, put the on the left, you put it like this. Maybe it's easier, so you have it like this. Put it. Because some of the sparkling, it's so high pressure, this is mostly for the Prosecco, when you open it pops. So you put it so with the cork, open it and just start to turn it, like this. When you have it like that, okay,
Yes.
you see you still have this one O, so
Yes.
even if it wants to open, it doesn't go. You take this one and put it over it and take it. And now you put it under 45. This is why, because here you have like a small air bubble
Yes.
and the pressure will go here. And then just take it hand and you will see how the bottle it will be opening. No, if you have it like this, it cannot go anywhere.
Okay.
So this way,
Just
just start to
turn
turn. Do you feel it how it's going out?
Perfetto.
Bravo.
Bravo.
And then later on, I know these are okay corks because, and then just smell it. If it's smelling like old feet, it's not okay.
Oh, it smells good.
Old feet.